Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right?
Hey guys, hey, welcome to the channel, Style by Shakira. Today's video is nothing short of a very small fall haul that I have curated for things that I'm going to use around the house for seasons to come. So like I stated, this is a small haul and I did not need a lot of fall decor. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to pick up a couple of things to just kind of bring everything together. So without further ado, I am Shakira. I'm your host for today's video. I hope you guys love what you see and see what you like, and we'll go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Again, I am Shakira and I thank you guys so much. So first thing first, I went to TJ Maxx. I hadn't been in TJ Maxx shopping in quite some time, but I was looking for some aesthetics, like certain color candles and things of that nature and certain scents. So while I was in there, I found this Sand and Fog in this beautiful brown glass, mahogany and teak wood. Now, I wasn't just looking for aesthetic. I was looking for the smell. Y'all, it smells so good. I love like woodsy, manly scents. I don't like a lot of soft scents. I just don't. So this is going to go great in my guest bedroom. I've revamped a lot of things in that space just to kind of, not revamp, but I just changed the room around. I can't wait to share that with you and where this is going to go in that space. So I kind of wanted to just get a couple of things to bring it all together. And this brown candle, like glass holder, container, looks so well. So I definitely had to add that to what I already have. All right, so next thing I have is some pillows. So I went to Burlington and they had these kind of rust color pillows. These were a 2-pack and they are so soft. They are a 20 by 20 and they're from the brand Oak and Fur. So I had to grab those. These were $22.99 for the two of these. It's like a rust or kind of burnt orangey color that I am bringing into the space. This will be going in my lounge area. On that blow up lounge chair that I got from Walmart that I absolutely love and stay on. So they had these in like a chocolate, and I wish I'd got them when I saw them because I didn't know I was going to branch that color over to some other things in my home, but it's okay. But I did get these, and I think that these are going to be a great fit to add on that lounge chair. So I can't wait to share the updated color theme for the fall in that space. All right, so let me see if I got anything else. Oh, we're going to move back to Ross. All right, so like I said, I have a lot of pumpkins, and I did not want to just keep purchasing a lot of them. But if I see something that's going to be unique and that I'm going to use, from, you know, from seasons to come, I'll go ahead and grab it. So I kind of did that. So I grabbed up the two of these, and they are so gorgeous, guys. So these were $6.99 a piece, and I just love this one. It is so gorgeous, and it is, they say it's made in the Philippines. So I love it. It is so gorgeous. I love the black and white. I just love adding that, and then it has this little kind of vintagey gold decor on top that looks super amazing. So loving that as well. All right, so let's see. That was, I'm all over the place because it's not a real big haul, so that's kind of where we are. So moving back to TJ Maxx. All right, so moving back to TJ Maxx, I wanted to get some more of the oil containers. I have some that I was using, and I put my own little gold inserts in using from some Amazon, from Amazon. So I saw these, and I like the idea that they come with different labels. You can change the labels. So I said, you know what, I like these. I could get these and change them or whatever, and I love this. So yeah, these are going to be so much more efficient than the ones that we already have in the space. So I definitely had to get two of these. So I'm going to be adding these into the kitchen. It's probably not fall, but it's going to be a fall look added in there. So I wanted you guys to see those. And those were only $4.99 a piece. So I think that was a very, very great price Okay, so also from Ross, I purchased this 3-pack of pumpkin, what are these things called? It's a set of 3 kitchen towels, and they were $9.99 a piece. And I thought that they were super gorgeous because I do, this is kind of like my main color in the first part of the home. So I wanted to kind of branch that color on throughout the space. And I just like the way that it looks. So you're definitely going to see this soon in the space. And they smell good, y'all. I think something got on them, like one of the candles or something, and it smells so good. Like, oh my God. All right, so also, oh, this is from Burlington. From Burlington, of course, y'all already know, we love doing like bar carts or fall decor where we just spruce up the coffee area or whatever area you want to use it for. So I saw these, and like I said, I'm so loving the orange this year. So I bought this pack, and this is they were only $5.99 from Burlington. So yeah, well, it's 24. I think it's a pack of 24 16-ounce cups with the lid sleeves. So this one has the lids as well as the sleeves. So yeah, these will be cute, like if you're having a get together or just on the go. You can kind of take them with you, especially on the weekends. My husband and I, we dip out in and out, so grabbing these will be a great addition to that. All right, so from Roses found this what is this premium garden flag, and I absolutely love the colors in it. Superb, gorgeous. And it has the checkered black and white, and you'll see why I like them in just a minute. But I absolutely love this. This little flag was $2.99, so I just changed out my little flags as the season go by, and I've been finding a lot of them in Roses. So yeah, who would have thought? So that's good. And also from Hobby Lobby, I purchased some candles. So these are unscented, and I purchased 2 of these, and these were $1.29 in that nice little kind of cinnamon orange color. And then I purchased these 2 in the little twirls. Again, these are unscented, and these were $1.99. They're a little longer and have the little twirls in them. So yeah, I just adding pops of this color throughout the first part of the home is going to give me that fall vibe that I absolutely love and cannot wait to share with you guys. And last but not least, I found these 2 amazing pieces from Roses, and these will be going on the front porch as decor in that space. And it's none other than a standing scarecrow in this beautiful black and white stripe. Oh my God, y'all look at it. It is so cute. It was $12.99. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And he's not alone. He has a girlfriend, a wife, whatever you want to call it. And this is so cute. So guys, you're gonna see these on my outdoor space soon. I haven't started because it's still hot here, but I will be decorating that space soon to kind of add in a little of the fall decor. So I thank you guys so much. I hope that you guys are liking everything that you're seeing so far. Please like, share, and comment. Help me grow my channel again. And I thank you guys so much. Follow me on all my social media networks at Style by Shakira. Until next time, bye guys.
We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home